Are you?
No, he can only go down this side.
Bro.
If you come down, you face that way.
Yes. I don't want to bump into this. I know.
Yeah, that'll hurt.
She's gonna come take her stuff off. Can you help her? She needs it. Thank you.
Okay, before you guys go on, see up there, get you guys comfortable with the equipment. Okay, so you're all gonna give this a go. I'll do a demo first. You guys can ask any questions throughout. Okay. So when you guys walk up the stairs right here, you're gonna stop. There's gonna be two, and then it's the carabiner that will just leave there. So you're gonna take this big opening. Okay, it fits through this big piece of metal here, and on the back side, it looks just like this. That fits through here. Okay, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your seat out. Yeah. So just bring it up. You like go wipe it in the same direction. Yeah, cool. And then you're gonna make your way down. Okay, this is the same as that.
Last words.
Bye.
Thanks, Mom. On my computer.
Bye, Mom. So you guys will hook in right on this
Where's my hard drive?
Where's my hard drive? The classic.
Any last words? Hey, my OSAP.
And then just follow the blue lines?
Yeah, just follow the
Blue arrows?
Yeah. If you guys need anything,
Hahaha! Dee 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 dee. You gotta do the Subway Surfer.
Oh.
You gotta do the Subway Surfer.
Are you recording? Yeah. On the GoPro? Press start?
Did you press start? The red light's on.
Yo, Earl. Yo, Earl.
Oh, shit.
Yeah.
Look at this dude. No.
I can do that with Lily.
It's behind you. Yeah. Yeah, turn around. How is this edge walk? Get up here.
Yo, Earl, you good, buddy?
I don't think so, bro. Don't look down. Don't look down. Don't do that. Stop.
Oh, shit.
Sean's actually into him. Alright, I'm yelling it. Boy,
Oh my gosh, this is slow. Yo, this is soft. Whoa! You can actually run back, look.
Wait, what are you actually running back?
Yeah.
You're actually running back?
Yeah.
Oh, you want to run back and forth? Okay, I see you.
Yo, this is soft, easy.
This guy said it was soft.
Easy, bro. See, I'm already here. Yo, do you want me to go back and help you?
I actually hate this guy.
Wait, what?
Can you like mess up Earl while he does this so he falls?
Earl, you fall off. He doesn't love you. He said you got triggered.
Yo, is it just me or is it like wobbling, Earl?
Earl, is he shaking on you?
Hey guys!
She doesn't. Oh, I lost. There's a fire.
Where?
There's somewhere there.
Touch this fabric part and our sequin.
Oh, he's
The
stuck.
only thing we're not touching is this. Everything else, we can hold on as tight as we want to, okay? So we don't fall off. Exactly. So, if you look at your C-clip, you got to
Oh my god, he's zooming! You skipped one! Cheater! He got punished! He got punished!
Finally made it to the other side.
Earl has more trouble with geometry than the actual course.
Yeah, that's true.
I don't think he has much camera. Or he does. But he just
Jump.
Yo, you can jump to the end from there.
Oh my god.
You can jump to the end from there. But please don't do it.
You already got it. You already told him to. He's gonna do it now.
What a sap.
I'm stupid.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So we are at, I don't know where this is. Kelso what?
Conversation area.
Kelso Conservation Area. Kelso Conservation Area in Milton, Ontario. What do you mean? This is not Banff. What you just saw are some of the things. Oh my gosh, it's so hard to vlog with your arms already tired. It's so heavy. I got it. Okay. We just did the aerial course, and some of our friends are gonna do the archery on here. But this is the next activity. We're gonna do that.
Joey, I need you to say shop dart. Welcome to Canada's National Amateur Archery Competition at Banff, Ontario. I'm your host, Ramses Earl Navarro. And here today with our lovely contestants, we have AJ Robledo, and we have Keith Nicholas, Joey Jobin, and our boy, Ethan Caronan, the withstanding holder of Amateur National Canadian Archer.
If there's nothing in it, try to keep it pointed down the range towards the targets. I think it's like 5 arrows each. So I'll shoot.
Joey, say it.
Hold on, I can't.
You didn't say it.
revealing enemy. It is kneeling? Okay, alright, let's start. This is me in your DMs. Kobe!
No, he can only go down this side.
Do the opposite side. Make sure when you do come down, you face that way.
Yes. I don't want to bump into this, I know.
Yeah, that'll hurt.
I think I see Toronto. No, it's heaven, dude.
Sounds rattled.
Already there.
I'll wait for Etienne, dude.
Try this side now.
No, you can't. You can only do this side.
No, I just fell. Huh?
TJ, no.
Bro, I thought he was like this. Yo, man, that's great, dude. I held on to the board. That was my bad. No,
I've seen a lot of weird things here. That may be a first.
Yes.
TJ, you did it. You almost got your ankle.
I was already there.
No, I meant to like.
Thanks, man.
Oh
Bro.
my god, that was so fun.
I was already up there. What the heck?
You made it, man. It's okay, it's okay.
I didn't make it.
Just
Like this. Like this. Just like that.
like slightly jump in.
Yeah, take a
Jump. Do
Jump.
that
Do it.
do a flip.
Not too strong, not too strong, not too strong.
Not like, yeah, just
Just sit down.
Just like
Yeah.
Just sit down, just
Sit down.
Yeah.
Sit down. Okay.
Oh.
Okay.
You know what? I didn't die.
Smooth it. Yo, y'all said I ain't gonna be yo, I'm out here with the boys. I thought I ain't gonna be you know, I'm out here in the Council of Conservation area with the boys.
With the
The homies. For the homies water.
homies.
Yeah.
With the
Say hi,
homies.
Etienne.
With the homies.
We gotta. Yo, we gotta paddle opposite. Down there.